Good Friday morning, everybody. It's the weekend. It's cloudy. It's supposed to rain pretty much all day tomorrow. Welcome to my daily vlog. Good morning, kitty. Here's a cat. Good morning. Good morning. That cat's looking at me like, I don't know you. So it's Friday. We have made it to the weekend. It's not as cool this morning as it was yesterday, but it's supposed to be really cool tomorrow. It's only supposed to be a high of 70 tomorrow. Very strange weather we're having for this time of year in DC. First, it's extremely hot, which is not normal until August. And now we're getting down to fall-like temperatures. I'm sure it won't last, but it's still strange. A few things to do at work already today. Already planned out a little bit. But yeah, other than that, should hopefully continue to be somewhat of a chill week. Hopefully. Probably jinxed it now that I've said that. Oh well. Good night last night, just chilled, watched TV. Yeah. It's interesting. One of my friends, I'm not sure the entire reason why, but popped down to DC literally for a day. Like he was just here yesterday. Didn't even know. Saw it on Facebook. It's funny too because he put on Facebook last night like, why is it so lit on a Thursday? And I'm like, I guess you haven't lived in DC in a while, because that's the day that's lit. Thursdays are it in DC. For some reason, people love to go out on Thursday. And the only reason I can come up with, because it logically doesn't make sense if you have to work tomorrow, but a lot of these people don't have to work tomorrow. Or don't have to work on Friday. So, because a lot of these people work for the government and they have what's called AWS, alternative work schedule, which basically means if you work 10 hours a day for 4 days, then you can have off either Friday or Monday. I think that's how that works. Or, I'm sorry, 9 hours a day instead of 8 hours a day for a week, and every other Friday or Monday you get off. Yes, that's how it works. So, you will take off. So good Friday evening, everybody. It's raining. A lot. Oh my goodness. This rain is no joke. Yeah. Supposed to, like I said earlier, raining all day today. And raining all day tomorrow. So unfortunately, yeah, this weekend is completely a bust. Ran into a weird issue at work that I finally figured out. This 1012 is doing some weird things, at least in our environment. At home I haven't had any problems, but in our environment, 1012 is been acting kind of bizarre. Nothing to stop us from using it,